Back across, Natchez. Finds Aho centers one off a throw check, but Vladar gets the catching glove on top of that. And he'll stop things with 57.9 seconds left in this one.
What Freddie Anderson did in the first period, Central, and what the penalty kill has done on 4 different occasions tonight. That's the story.
Again, you run down the list for the Canes. 5 different goal scorers. It's not just relying on one line, one guy. And making it from everybody. Now Svechnikov hammers one, and he'll score! On the power play, Svechnikov's second of the game, and Carolina goes up 6-3.
He's always adding new tricks. He scored a bunch of goals in the NHL, but not many slappers. Jordan Stahl wins the draw, and he fires a gun. I would venture to say every power play goal he's scored on his natural side has been a wrister until this one. What a perfectly placed gun from Svechnikov. His second of the night off of the Stahl one draw.
And if I may, all difference to our friend Rick Jarrett. That was top shelf. Where Mama hides the cookies.
Yeah, Rick Jarrett is in this last season.
Has a 3-goal lead, 40 seconds.
Stand top Foley.
As the puck goes along the boards, Calgary throws it out in front. Bouncing puck still loose.
You remember Rick Jarrett's roll the highlight reel, baby!
He'll get it to Goodbranson. He'll snap one. That's blocked by Ethan Bear. That'll go on a play. With 22.8 seconds left in the third.
You look at the balance, but at the end of the day, you could have come out of the first period down 2-3. Who knows? If Calgary had puck luck, if Anderson wasn't brilliant, you could have really been in a hole like you were in Columbus. And the penalty killing, once in the first, twice in the second, and then a big one here in the third. That's why I had the kill as the first stop.
Face-off is run back. Branson hammers it. And that fellows Ethan Bear. Bear is slow to get up. As the puck goes into the Calgary zone, Bear some difficulty trying to make his way to the Canes bench. He's staying on the ice here with 5 seconds left. Carolina will gain possession of the puck. Bear will find his way to the bench. And the Canes will improve to 24-7-1. 11-3-0 at home. Andrei Svechnikov with a 2-goal performance, coming up with his 12th goal of the season. And a Canes total team effort from goaltending to special teams. Find a way to win this one tonight, Tripp.
Well, we hope that Ethan Bear paid the price a couple of times, very courageously late, that he is okay. And Jesper Fast, in his 500th game, scored a huge goal. They're all big.
Yep.
But the one to tie the game at 1, after being outplayed like they were in the first period, was as big of a goal of the 6 that were scored tonight.
Here we go. Circle jerk moment.
Treated for the 11th time to a storm surge here at PNC Arena. For the Carolina Hurricanes, and when the Canes win, a lot more smiles, because Points for Kids, thanks to the Carolina Ale House, who will donate $200 to the Carolina Hurricanes Foundation every time the Canes get 2 points in the standings. And that's what happens tonight. There's the hug. Trocheck and Slavin to cap off this 6-3 win for Carolina. And coming up, no rest for us. We get right back at it.
We gotta go for the Panthers.
7 o'clock. A huge Eastern Conference showdown.
The hot kitty cats.
To take on the Hurricanes. Can't wait for that matchup. We're getting ready for the 3 stars selection.
Let's get the 3 stars. There we go.
You can go with this one tonight, Mr. Tracy. I'm interested to see you. You'll be interviewing on the bench.
I'm just going to sit back in my recliner take it all in.
500 game for Jesper Fast.
Jesper Fast.
First goal of the game for the Canes.
The second star of the game from the Carolina Hurricanes with 2 goals tonight. Number 37, Andre.
That's the magic of Andrei Svechnikov.
Svechnikov.
From the Carolina Hurricanes with a goal tonight. Number 76, Brady.
There's your first star. It's Brady Shea.
Brady Shea.
We will be chatting with Trip Tracy in just a moment to talk about this Canes victory and Brady Shea.
Those must be some Christmas jerseys right there.
Trip.
Brady. Oh, yeah. Caniacs, what a follicle Friday night for Brady Shea.
Goal, 2 assists, 2 shots on goal, 2 blocks.
Brady,
Man, you must got a fan club.
It's getting a little gray, but we'll take it.
tell you what, Vidal Sassoon, a huge Caniac. You know, Brady, because of the reaction from your fans, it's almost 2 years since you became a Hurricane. You love being a Ranger. What I love most is how much you love being a Hurricane. Why?
That's these fans. It's unbelievable playing in front of you guys every night. You guys bring it every home game. We can't say enough about you guys. You guys are awesome, and we love playing here in front of you guys.
You are a huge
Man, it's a lot better when the Hurricanes
It was dazzling
at the
on
PNC
four
arena.
occasions. It hasn't been just good tonight. It's been great every night. But why has it been so in sync?
We're just on this. We're all
Hurricane was more running the Wolfpack fans. What do you think?
Kelly's having a good goalie, and Freddie and Ante are doing an unbelievable job for us. And as a group of 4, we're really just clicking on all cylinders. So we've been good for a little bit here. We got to keep it going.
I'm going to ask you, the Caniacs love you. Why wouldn't they?
Thank you.
Okay, I love it. Brady, speaking of Freddie Anderson, you played, I asked Jesper Foss, you played...
Well, look at that. I mean, these fans not ready to go home yet.
He was great. We saw it in this building. Freddie Anderson, the first period. What makes
It's
him a
Friday
special
night.
goalie?
I think when he's so big, he's, I don't know, 6'5", 6'6", and moves really quick. Just rock solid back there. We have a ton of confidence in him.
Yeah, he's big, but he's a quick
playing
goalie.
some unbelievable goaltending right now, for sure.
Congratulations. What a beautiful goal. Go get some hair product and we'll see you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Get some gel on that thing.
Brady Shea said that we shouldn't expect 2 goals a game from him, but we got another one from him tonight. Frederick Anderson, outstanding for the Canes, had 20 saves.